Welcome back to my channel once again. So in today's video we will show you one of the easiest way to georeference an image. So fast forward, when we say georeferencing, what is it at all? It is the process of attaching spatial information to data, which we will do this by getting a remotely sensed data, or let's say an aerial image or a scanned map, and getting this, then we can also get a ground control point or a coordinates of survey points using our GPS receiver, right? So after getting this, then we link the remotely sensed image to the coordinates to put them in coordinate space in the ArcGIS. That is basically what georeferencing is and will be done. Okay, so in this video we will show you the easiest way to georeference, as I always promise and deliver. So fast forward, let's quickly go to our map as I've opened mine here, and then start with the georeferencing. Okay, so the first thing to do is to make sure you connect the folder where you're having your image and the ground control points in to the ArcGIS, right? Okay, so we'll just go here to our catalog here, right? Okay, then we right click on the folder connections here and then go to connect to folder. So here you browse through and find where our image and the points are, right? Okay, so I'm having mine saved in this folder here, so I click on it and then I go to OK. So it appears here, right? So I double click on it and it opens here. So I'm having this image. This is what I'm going to do to georeference today. Yeah, so we are going to georeference an image of Kigali, which I took from the Google Earth Pro, which I showed previously in my video, which was how to easily use Google Earth Pro to find location. If you've watched that video, you know how to get this aerial image as well as any other thing you want to get from Google Earth Pro, right? So I'll just drag this and drop it here in the frame. So by so doing, this pops up telling me that it is an unknown spatial reference, and it reads the following data sources you added are missing spatial reference information. This data can be drawn in ArcMap but cannot be projected, right? Okay, so this is what pops up. Good. So we click on OK. This is just telling us that what we are having here is not georeference, and hence it's just any image we are showing. And mind you, you can show any image at all, being your own picture or whatsoever in the ArcGIS. So it's telling us that this image here is just any image at all, and it's not in space and can't be georeferenced, can't be projected in space. So hence we have to do what? We have to georeference it. So this brings up georeferencing again. So today I will show you the easier way, that is using the KML file. Fast forward, we go to the search here and then we type in here KML to layer. Okay, then we click on the search and this pops up. So you're having this KML to layer, conversion tools, and layer to KML. So we choose the first one, this first one, KML. We click on it and this pops up, right? Okay, so we click on this folder to connect to where that KML file is. So we click on this folder here and then we go through the laptop device. We browse through and find where we've saved this KML file. So I'm having mine on the desktop. I think here giant tutorials, and there's it, Kigali Rwanda file, the Rwanda KMZ file. So I'll click on it and come to open here, and it's open here. So I'm having it here showing the KML file here, right? Okay, so from here I'll just click on OK, allow them to run it. So it's shown down here. Okay, so it's done. So you see it appearing here, KML file, right? It's appearing here. So this is the KML point we took in the Google Earth Pro, which I showed in my previous video. All right, so we are are going to georeference it. So let's zoom these points to layer. This is the actual location of where this image is supposed to be. So let's zoom to layer. Alright, so this is where the image is supposed to be, in this place. That is the actual location of it, but it's lost, so we just have to bring the image here, right? So we come here, come to this georeferencing here, and click on fit to display, right? Okay, so by so doing, we have the image showing in the frame, and you can see them close to each point respectively, right? Okay, so A, C, C, D, D, B, B. So here I normally prefer to change this, so I'll come to this, that symbology, I'll change this, I'll click on it, and I'll come and choose this, go to OK. So having it simply like this, right? Okay, so now we have to georeference the image. We are having the image fitting in the display, so it's exactly close to where these points are. So you click on this thing called the add control point, click on it, then we make sure we click on the image first and then the point. You see, when you bring the plus sign close to the point, you see some circle appearing around the point and having this written here, points, right? So these are points, the actual points you took, right? And these are the image points, the one you add attached to the image before taking a picture of it. So let's start the first one, the A. So you go to the A here, we click on A, and then we come and click on the point, right? Okay, next one, we click on the B here, click on this B. You see, once you are done with the first two, automatically the other two will come close to where they are supposed to be, right? So let's zoom in and get the locations clear. So we click on this and then attach it to this. So always remember, we click on the image first and then the points follows. Is that okay? All right, so let's go to the last point, that is the, I think the C, or yeah, the C. So we zoom into the C2 and the center of the points, that is the image, and then the points here. Good. So we're having them all. Let me zoom this to layer, because you're having these, the points fitting exactly in space. So we are currently having the image being at the exact location in space. So that is it, having the A, B, C, and D showing here. So this is one of the easiest ways to georeference. Don't have to go and click and copy any coordinate and type them in any Excel. Just simply this, just get the KML file from Google Earth Pro, which I showed you previously in my video, and then the image, you drag the image from the catalog and drop it here. Then you come to search here, then you search for the KML file location, and then you find it, you add it to the table of contents here, just add it, it comes here, and then you just zoom the points layer, and then you come to referencing and then fit to display. So then you add control point, you click on this, that, and you are done. So at this point you just have to update the referencing. So you just come to the referencing here, and then we update it. So you are having it updated. So we are done with the reference. That is how it's done. So if you enjoyed this video, I'll be glad if you give a thumbs up if you like the video for us, and make sure you give a comment based on what if you are facing difficulties in trying to do it at your end. And please don't forget to give a subscribe to this channel to see more amazing content like this. Thank you.